can tell, I'm still in quarantine. If you've been keeping up with all of my videos and stuff, if you haven't, please go and watch them. But I'm still in quarantine, and I've decided to buy some of the things that I need for my dorm room. So I'm going to be buying the stuff I need from Amazon today. It's just my mattress pad and my laptop stand. I'm really trying to get things that are top priority first, and then get decorative items and things like that. But then I think, like, if I'm still gonna get those things, I might as well just, you know, buy them now. I think I'm just gonna stick with getting everything that is priority first, so that I can tell how much money I'm gonna have left over for the decorative things, because I do have a budget in mind and I really want to stick to that. Later on in the week, I'm gonna be going to IKEA and all of those other stores to pick up more things that I'm gonna need for the dorm, as well as I think winter clothing, because I am scared. I'll see you guys whenever that happens. I'm going to be vlogging everything. This video is going to have a lot of parts and just a lot of different settings, which I'm so happy about, because for a very long time I was just shooting in the same place the whole time. So I'll see you then. Today we basically went to all of the stores. I'm sure you already saw. We got a few things from IKEA. Went to Value Village and I got a coat. Can you believe, guys? Is it a coat? It's a winter jacket, you know? I got a winter jacket for $26. Wow, for $26 I got a winter jacket. I've just been introduced to thrifting, and well, yeah, I'm a big fan. I think it's been a while since I've said anything on this vlog. I know I look a little bit crazy with this orange and this and just my face and in general, you know, but it's fine. Today I'm gonna move into my dorm and I'm pretty much like all packed up, like as far as I can pack, you know. Okay, so that's my carry-on bag, that's my big luggage. These are both things that I came with from Angola, and then you have my two backpacks there. Got some toiletries in the bag, got my mirror, and then quite a bit of stuff that I've been buying for my room and for the kitchen, and you know, all of that, all my necessities. The clothes are not mine, don't worry. But yeah, my move-in slot is at 4 o'clock right now. It's 11 going to 12, so it's still super early. We're probably gonna leave the house at around 3 and make our way to the university. We got some LED lights because my room would not be a dorm room if it didn't have any LED strip lights. So got these. These were $18 for 16.2 inches, I'm pretty sure. This is a white duvet cover. Got this for $20, which is really good. So yeah, I think it's been a month since the last time I filmed anything for this specific video. So hi, I look kind of different, not really, but anyway, I'm gonna give you guys this room tour now, because if I wait, like I've been waiting to finish decorating, but if I wait, you're not gonna get it now. We're gonna clean my room and then I'll give you a full tour. Obviously not like it's not fully decorated, so it is what it is. I have the major pieces. The only things that I'm missing are like just decorative stuff, so things to put on the walls and things like that. At the moment, my room, I'm just going to show you my bed because I don't want to give too much away, but my bed is messy. I'm going to change my duvet cover. I'm going to sweep on the floor because what is that? Like it could be a rat. that I'm done cleaning, I can give you a tour. This is the door to my room. As soon as you walk in, you see my desk. You have that corner over there. You have my bed on the right, and then you have the closet. So the closet is actually so much bigger than I expected it to be. It's got like quite a bit of space. It's the same size as the one I had at home, so I'm happy about that. So I just have some clothes inside. I have my suitcase and this huge ass Walmart thing that I don't know why I got it. And then I have just a bunch of stuff. Oh, here you are. I've been looking for these. I have my laundry basket in here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here, but space wise it's better in there. And then we have some shoes. I got a pair of shoes recently from College Spring. Not that this has anything to do with shoes, but just look at them. Wow, amazing. I'll give you a haul sometime. But anyway, as you come up, I have my towel, my tote bags, and my small backpack. This thing was supposed to go over the door, but the door is too thick. It's too wide, so it doesn't fit over, so I just put it here. I don't know if it's gonna stay here, but honestly I don't know where to put it. Then we come towards my desk. This wall doesn't have anything yet, but I'm probably gonna put 3 pieces of artwork, like some type of poster. I'm gonna do something to this wall because it looks sad. So yeah, then we have my mirror. I got it from IKEA. I'm gonna leave every single thing in my room linked down below if I can find the links for everything. Pretty sure it was $59 or $69. As you continue moving, we have my first poster, which is a Rick and Morty poster. Funny enough, I've still never watched Rick and Morty, so don't come for me. And then you have this painting that I made during 101 week, so during Frosh week. I did it during the nursing Frosh event, and I'm not in nursing, so but anyway, I really like it. It goes really well with that. As you come down, you have the lamp, and it is also from IKEA. I got that for $90, I believe. As you continue moving, you have my laptop, and my laptop stand is honestly the best thing that I've ever bought. I almost got the middle one, but I decided to go with this one because it's portable and it's just overall easier to use. I realized that if I got the middle laptop stand, I would have to get a keyboard because it's suspended. So with this one, I can just put my elbows on the table and I'm good to type and edit and all of that. Behind my laptop, I have this organizer that I got from Dollarama. I have my journals and a book in there. I also have my stationery behind there, and you can see my LED strip light. So I'm going to switch off the light and show you what it looks like at night. As you continue moving, you can just see my window there. I have a box of tissues because sometimes you need tissues. And then I have some of my school notebooks on top here and some loose papers. I just put up my Attack on Titan poster, and the second poster I have is My Hero Academia. I've seen Attack on Titan. I haven't started watching this one. I will soon, okay? As soon as the schoolwork stops chowing me, I'll do it. As you go down, I just have my tripod here, and then I have this cart that I got from IKEA as well, and I have a lot of stuff in this cart, and it's actually really useful if you know what to do with it. I got these little storage things from Dollarama as well. In this one, I just have a whole lot of skincare stuff. I had the worst breakout. I'm not even going to talk about that now, but I had the worst breakout, and I had to get a bunch of stuff to try and help it. In this one, I just have some extra stuff. So I have soap, I have flushable wipes, I have my calcium and vitamin D, and then I have some extra toothpaste. Got some Clorox wipes just to clean stuff, and this here, lifesaver. And then we have some hand sanitizer, and as you go down, we have this messier one where I just keep all of my tech related stuff. It's just chargers, cables, my hard drive is in there, some attachments for my tripod is in there as well. In the next one, I have all of my hair stuff and my perfume that unfortunately just spilled in my luggage when I was coming here. And in the last level of this cart, I have this little box. So I have my disposable mask in there, and then I have a whole lot of medication. I have a floor lamp that I also got from IKEA. This, I'm pretty sure, was less than $10, which, wow. I got it because I knew that the lighting in this room was going to be trash. And then we have the wall above my bed, which is depressing. Very depressing. These two, depressing. I'm probably gonna do the whole album thing that was popular last year, I think. I'm probably gonna have some pictures up there. My bed is pretty simple, nothing too crazy. I have quite a few pillows. This is the most pillows I've ever had on any bed of mine. I have a body pillow that I used to cuddle with. Don't remember the price, but I'll leave it linked down below. The pillow that I used to just keep my head on, and then I have 2 other decorative pillows, and then I just have this throw here to kind of decorate, but also when it gets colder I'm gonna need things to cover myself with. Behind my bed I have this extension cord that I just use to charge my phone and all of that. I really want to get a like table thing. I don't know, I saw it on TikTok. I'm going to leave an image on the screen, but it's this table thing that you attach to the side of your bed and you can put things on top. So like if you have a snack, you just put it there, or if you're charging your phone, you put it there, you know. Now that I've shown you what it looks like during the day, I'm going to show you what it usually looks like at night, and I'm just going to close my blinds quickly. This is what it looks like when it's dark. Obviously it would be better if there wasn't like light coming in from there. I wanted to try something new, so I just put them on like the perimeter of my desk. It goes down the back of the desk, and then it goes down over there, and then it goes down over there and behind the cart and just by my bed. I will also leave these lights linked down below. I didn't expect them to be this long. That concludes my room tour for now. I'm gonna give you an updated one as soon as I finish everything on the walls, because this honestly, it looks depressing. But yeah, my favorite part of the room is the corner with the posters and the card. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more college stuff. Let me know in the comments if you're living in residence, or if you're in uni, or what year of uni you're doing, I don't know, or what grade of high school you're doing. I don't know how old you are. Let me know so I have more of an indication of how old you guys are and all of that. But yeah.